Nakikita namin kayo. Sobrang na-enjoy niyo yung kanta, pinakanta niyo. We're watching you guys, parang parang ginaganon yung heart ko na parang we're so happy na there are really people that, nag-look up sa amin. And as an artist, yun yung pinaka-fulfilling na feeling na mararamdaman ng isang artist na kinakanta ng tao yung kanta nila. That's why we are so thankful. But, ayun, parang mag-party-party kami ngayon eh. Sasabay ba kayo sa amin? Mag-party-party ngayon.
Ito, feeling ko magugulat sila dito.
Yeah, feeling ko magugulat. Magugulat talaga kayo na ito.
But before that, 18, thank you so much sa pagsabay sa amin sa pagkanta ng Iha. Maraming salamat. But tonight, alam namin na magkakasama tayo dito at marami na kaming pinakita. But ang tanong, 18, ready na ba kayo for the next? Are you guys ready for next?
Ready na ba kayo?
18, let's get ready for tonight!
Get ready for the night.
Oh, 18, let's give it up for Apple.
Make some noise for SB19. Make some noise for yourselves.
Thank you so much, Sir Apple. Grabe, sobrang special ng araw na to, guys. Pinakitaan tayong dance moves. Grabe. Okay, but it's an honor po to be with stage with you, Sir Apple.
With the legend.
Yes.
With the legend.
Yeah, maraming salamat for having me with you guys, to rock with you guys. And I'm proud of you guys representing our culture around the world. So.
Yeah. Alam ko guys, ang masasabi ko lang, iba talaga ang Pilipino! 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 Pilipino!
Yo, hoy pare, pakinggan nyo ako. Ito na tunay na Pilipino. Galing sa baryo, sa pambato, pumunta ng LA na trabaho para makatulong sa nanay. Dahil sa hirap na buhay, pero masaya pa rin ang kulay. Pag kumain ng kakamay, yung kare, chicken at tomato. Yung pala pinapeta sa kanto, tagay mo na nga ang baso. Pari ko ang ilaw na nata. Pilipino! 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 Bebo, 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 bebo. Ikaw ang aking bebo, 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 bebo. Ikaw ang aking bebo, 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 bebo. Ikaw ay Filipino!
Filipino!
Sir Apple.
Grabe, sobrang nakakabilib. And narinig nyo ba yung song na pinerform namin? Narinig nyo? Yes. Naku, abangan nyo dahil malapit na rin yan. It's SB19 and Sir Apple Diab collaboration. We're going to say it. Again, everyone, let's give a hand for a round of applause for Sir Apple Diab!